Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to learn how to multiply a 3-digit number by 11. Now make sure and remember that here our first number has 3 digits and 11 has only 2. So this is a mismatch. This is a mismatch because if it were a match number like 11 multiplied by 48, 2 and 2 digits, things would have been easier. But here also things are easier only. So let's multiply and learn how to calculate 478 into 11. So we have 3 digits here and 2 digits here. What we are going to do, since we have 2 digits here, and there is 1 digit extra, so we will add a 0 in the front and a 0 in the end of the number. So your number becomes 04780. Now forget this question. Now we'll be able to generate directly answers. So what you are going to do is add these two last digit numbers and keep on moving to the left. So 0 plus 8 becomes 8. 7 plus 8 becomes 7 plus 7 is 14. Remember bonus sums? 7 plus 7 is 14. So 7 plus 8 becomes 15. 5. Now 1 will be carried. Now 4 plus 7 is 11 plus 1 is 12. And 1 carried. 0 plus 4 is 4 plus 1, 5. This is your answer. See, for learning purpose, I am asking you and I am telling you to put up a 0 at the last and at the first of the number. But when you have practiced or when you have become a Vedic maths expert, you will not need to write down zeros. You can simply answer by writing down the step. And that is very easy. Here you will observe that it is taking so much amount of time and this and that. But no, when we will write down directly the answers, it will become more easier. So 856 into 11 we have to do. We have already mentioned 0 in the front and the end. So 6 plus 0 is 6, 6 plus 5 11, 1 carried, 8 plus 5 13 plus 1 4, 1 carried and 9 answer. So this is your answer. Okay, let me show you what I was mentioning right away. 668 into 11. You don't have to write down zeros. Obviously when you are writing you can, but when you are answering you need not think about zeros because that becomes cumbersome. So 6, 8. Write down the last digit 8. 6 plus 8 becomes 14. Move to the left. 6 plus 6 becomes 12 plus 1 is 13. Move to the left and 1 plus 6 is what? 7. And that's it. You don't have to mention zeros. Even the zeros you don't have to mention. But yes, when writing you can, in the initial process, in the initial phase, you can write down. Later, try to cut out writing zeros. This will save a lot of time. 729. Now write down the last digit number. Since always 9 plus 0 was 9 only. So 2 plus 9 becomes 11. 1. Move to the left. 7 plus 2 becomes 9. Plus 1 becomes 10. Move to the left. Now only 7 is left. So 7 plus 1 becomes 18. Now I'll show you these 3 questions. How to solve these questions very quickly. This is 3718. This is 4983. This is 9801. So easy. Now how to do this? 913 into 11. So what you can do? You can write down the 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 9 is 10. 0, 1 carry. And this is the answer. 10,043. 965 into 11. So we'll write down the 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. 1. 9 plus 6 is 15. Plus 1 is 16. We'll write down 6. 1 plus 9 is 10. So this will be your answer. Now 548 into 11. I'll count to 5 and you are supposed to solve it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if you have got correct answers or not. So this is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 2, 1 carry. 0, 1 carry. 6. So this is yet another method on how you can calculate and multiply faster using Vedic math techniques. This is multiplication of 3-digit number by 11.